Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your backlink strategy with Ahrefs detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Ahrefs website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Site Explorer option from the main menu. Enter your website URL into the search bar and click Explore. Review the overview of your site's backlinks. Pay attention to the Backlinks section for detailed insights. Click on the Backlinks tab to see a list of links pointing to your site. Analyze the referring domains for quality and relevance. Identify any high-authority sites that link back to your content. Next, explore the Anchors tab to understand the anchor text distribution. Look for variations and identify opportunities for improvement. Now, switch to the Competing Domains feature in Site Explorer. This will show you sites competing for your keywords. Take note of the domains with a strong backlink profile. Search for the Content Explorer tool in the menu. Enter relevant keywords to find popular content in your niche. Analyze the backlinks of this content. Reach out to the referring domains if you see relevant opportunities. Craft personalized emails to increase your chances of success. Consider creating high-quality content that can attract backlinks naturally. Monitor your backlink profile regularly. Use Ahrefs Alerts feature to be notified of new links. Keep track of any lost links to regularly update your strategy. Analyze your competitors' strategies by reviewing their backlinks. Look for trends and patterns in their backlink acquisition. Implement similar strategies tailored to your brand. By systematically refining your approach, you can enhance your backlink strategy with Ahrefs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.